You are dreaming of managing the flows of goods across the globe, optimizing supply chains, and leading in one of the world's most dynamic industries? Do you want to move the global economy responsibly and sustainably? Then this is your program. We are looking for problem solvers, team players, and forward thinkers. Our Masters in Global Logistics and Supply Chain Management is your pathway to an exciting and impactful international career. Could there be a better place to study logistics and supply chain management than at a logistics university? At KLU, you will dive into one of the most dynamic and rewarding management fields, gaining theoretical knowledge and practical experience. The curriculum includes future-proof topics like sustainability and digitalization, equipping you to lead in a rapidly evolving business landscape. Benefit from excellent individual support and a hands-on study experience at KLU, and use our operations mindset as a jetpack for your career. Graduates of this program are in high demand in sectors like manufacturing, retail, or logistics services. Excellent knowledge of logistics is a key skill in C positions across all industries. After graduating, you are all set up to start your career in Germany or abroad. Whether you aim to design supply chains or to drive innovation, you will be a leader in the field. Start your KLU journey and take your career to the global stage.